Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a dishwasher that is not draining properly. If you open your dishwasher and see dirty water sitting at the bottom, don't panic. This is a very common problem, and in many cases, you can fix it yourself without calling a technician. So let's get started. First, let's understand why this happens. A dishwasher drains water through a filter, drain hose, and drain pump. If any of these parts become blocked or damaged, the water cannot leave the machine properly. Now let's go step by step through the most common causes and fixes. The first thing you should check is the dishwasher filter. In most dishwashers, the filter is located at the bottom inside the machine. Over time, food particles, grease, and dirt can block the filter. When this happens, water starts collecting inside the dishwasher. Remove the lower rack and carefully take out the filter. Wash it under warm water and remove all dirt and debris. If the filter is heavily clogged, use a soft brush for cleaning. Once the filter is clean, place it back properly and test the dishwasher again. Now, let's move to the second common problem, which is the drain hose. The drain hose carries dirty water out of the dishwasher. If the hose is bent, blocked, or clogged, the water will not drain. Pull the dishwasher slightly forward and inspect the hose behind the machine. Make sure there are no sharp bends or blockages. Sometimes grease and food waste build up inside the hose. In that case, disconnect the hose carefully and clean it with water. After reconnecting it, run a quick wash cycle and check if the water drains correctly. The third possible issue is the garbage disposal connection. If your dishwasher is connected to a garbage disposal unit, a blockage there can stop the dishwasher from draining. Check the disposal for food buildup and clean it if necessary. Also make sure the dishwasher drain plug was removed properly during installation. This is a very common issue in newly installed dishwashers. Next, let's talk about the drain pump. The drain pump pushes water out of the dishwasher. If the pump is blocked or damaged, the dishwasher may make strange noises or fail to drain completely. Listen carefully when the dishwasher tries to drain. If you hear humming sounds but no water movement, the pump may be clogged. Small objects like glass pieces or food debris can sometimes block the pump. If you are comfortable opening the lower panel, inspect the pump carefully and remove any blockage. Another possible cause is a faulty check valve. The check valve prevents dirty water from flowing back into the dishwasher. If this valve gets stuck, water may remain inside the machine. This part is usually located near the drain pump area and may need cleaning or replacement. Now let's talk about one simple thing many people forget: resetting the dishwasher. Sometimes the dishwasher control board gets stuck due to a temporary error. Simply unplugging the machine for a few minutes can reset the system. Turn off the power, wait for about 5 minutes, then restart the dishwasher and test it again. In many cases, this simple reset solves the issue. Now, let me quickly summarize the fixes. If your dishwasher is not draining, clean the filter, check the drain hose, inspect the garbage disposal connection, listen for drain pump problems, and try resetting the dishwasher. These are the most common reasons behind drainage problems, and luckily, many of them are easy to fix at home. Before ending this video, here's a quick maintenance tip. Always remove large food particles from dishes before placing them in the dishwasher. Also clean the filter regularly to prevent future drainage issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more appliance repair videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.